What are the important differences between NFPA 909 and NFPA 914? Two previous Underwriters Corner episodes discussed how NFPA 909, the Code for the Protection of Cultural Resource Properties like museums, libraries, and places of worship, and NFPA 914, the Code for the Protection of Historic Structures, are used in protecting culturally important properties from fire loss. Keep in mind, there's an important difference between these two codes. NFPA 909 focuses on protection of contents and collections within a building. This would include sensitive artifacts, books, and artworks. This code also provides guidance for security, continuity of operations, emergency preparedness, and maintenance of protection systems, specifically for cultural items. NFPA 914's scope engages the historic structure and fabric of the building itself. It provides guidance for a broad range of historic structures, especially during renovations and restorations. When used in conjunction, the two codes blend effective fire protection standards with important preservation objectives. They recognize that conventional building and fire codes may need to be moderated to address the unique preservation needs of these properties. Thanks for watching Underwriters Corner. Please like and subscribe for more.